My name is Arshad Parekh. I'm 75-year-old and I'm vegan with my wife for 30 years. And because of being vegan for 30 years, we've been saved mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially. I have survived 3 cancers, 1 stroke, and 1 kidney disease. And I have survived 2 bankruptcies. So I truly believe that because I became vegan, somebody is protecting us. It happened one of the evening 30 years ago when Muslim philosopher Sheikh Akbar Ali Jetha invited me for a dinner, and he explained that if you become 1% harmless, you can get 1% benefited. If you become 100% harmless, you can become 100% benefited. And I said, benefited in what respect? He said, mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially. Financial word attracted me, nothing else, because I was going through rough time in America. So I said, who is helping all this thing? So he said, whoever you believe, Krishna, Allah, nature, whatever. If you don't harm anybody, somebody is protecting you. So I said, what should I do to become harmless? He said, just drop the milk. So I looked at my wife, that just drop milk, we drink milk in cha. Let's try it. So she said, okay, because we were going through rough time anyway. So I said, I want to know more about it. So he said, come back again. And I went to his home for another dinner. And he explained to me what is the meaning of veganism. It is just not the food. It's a harmless, egoless, and truthful way of living life. And if you live that way, then there is something which is nature or God or Prakriti or whatever you believe, that protects you. Before this thing happened, 6 months ago, I was living in the USA at that time. And I had attracted a disease named membranous glomerulonephritic syndrome, where kidney creates hole in your kidney and then protein leaks. So my nephrologist told me that you have to eat a lot of protein because you are losing a lot of protein. So I said, yeah, we are Indian, we eat dal, and I love cheese and milk. No, you have to eat chicken and fish. I said, no, I will not eat chicken and fish. So then he said, you will die. So I said, let me try. So when I came back here during that treatment, he gave me steroid and he tried to reduce the further damage. But then Akbar Bhai told me that you leave milk, which was the only source I was taking as a protein. So I went there and I said, I'm stopping the milk. He said, you are definitely going to die. I said, let me try. I'll try for 6 months and then we'll see. After 6 months, he was doing all the 24-hour urine and 24-hour blood and seeing how much protein I'm retaining and all. He said, I don't know, Arshad, but something happened and you are cured. That gave me the confidence that something is happening. And since then, we have been blessed. So I have survived 3 cancer, 1 stroke, 1 kidney disease, and 1 Crohn disease. And I'm still living, I'm 75-year-old. My wife, she is 75-year-old. She is diabetic for 45 years. Her mother died at the age of 45. Her sister died at the age of 45. She is 75, and she looks 65 today. So this is all vegan. Today, doctors, Shrenik Bhai Shah is from USA, Dr. Rashmi Menon, they will teach you and they will tell you what are the benefits and how you can do it. I am telling you that practically it is doable because all of us, we are here for the reason. God has created this timing for all of us. And we are logically convinced by the doctors and science and yeah, we should do it. This is what. But somehow or other we can't do it. We are victim of some of our own feeling or our own habits. So what I'm trying to tell you is that do it because you will be blessed so much that there is no comparison. And everything is available. 30 years ago, there was nothing available non-dairy. Right now, we are getting Shrikhand and cheese and everything is doing it. And doing for the larger cause. Think about it. God, we are all children of God. And when God gave us the birth, God must have thought, you are my children, go on the earth and you will be happy, healthy, blissful all the time. Why we are not that? Because of our karma. This is directly related with our karma. The good karma you do, good result will come. So by becoming vegan and living harmless, egoless and truthful life, you are creating your own karma. Then question comes that if I am vegan for 30 years, why I have 3 cancers? Why I have all this disease? Your karma doesn't wipe out. Whatever you have done in the past, you have to pay the price, but it can be reduced by a good karma. So every situation I had a cancer, I was saved by a day or week or month, and God gave me the signal, I got it tested, and I removed my cancer. So this is what is going to happen in your daily life if you become vegan. There is a lot more I can share, but I think we are running late. We are here to listen Dr. Saib from USA. So if anybody wants to know more about it, they can talk to me afterwards. I'll give you my email address. I'll give you my WhatsApp number. And I'm ready to help anybody who wants to understand and why and how you can become vegan all the time for your own good. Side effect is animal. Side effect is environment. It is all there. But you have to do it for your own good, your children, your future. Because God has given us the opportunity that every moment of this life, we have to live in love, joy, happiness, and truth. And we are every moment living life of fear, worry, guilt, and pain. This is all because of the karma. So thank you very much for listening. And I want to say 1 minute about Mr. H.K. Shah. He is my mentor. I was in USA for 30 years. And he started Vegetarian Vision. I worked with him for 8 years as a secretary, and we did wonderful things. Actually, we got $267,000 from one of the lawsuits. And he has done a lot of things. He has a big vision. He has been doing this thing for almost 50 years. And Maltiman and H.K. Shah has a vision. And here he is helping us to launch this World Vegan Vision. So wish us all the best of luck. We'll be doing a lot of activities, and we want to invite you for all our activities. Thank you very much.